Abdul we went here, and then you know what? We will going by the big group. You want to see it? Just wait for it. Pilah. Yes, so here we will camping for a few days. Wow, looking like so long time. No. But yeah, I just like to know what have here, what we doing, what activity we do, and everything. And yeah, it's looking so fun and relax. Yay! Yo guys, so here, you know, yeah, I'm also bring my Abdul event here, but I feel like no, it's okay. But here, I want to show you all about the Tesoro 463. It's very amazing, guys, and very expensive. Yeah. But I want to show you something more amazing. Let's follow me inside. So this is the owner of this big motorhome.
Motorhome they call Tesoro.
No, Tesoro is looking so amazing and so big, so nice. I really fall in love with it. But maybe next time we upgrade like
Beli lah.
Yeah, change. Okay, so yeah, it's look great. So here we at Camp Pilah. Camp Pilah, and we just stay here for one night. And for like I just see this. Oh my god, it's so big, and can stay for 6 people. Actually, yeah, I know. This is very take time to upgrade. So yeah, do you have any?
No.
Just like that.
Not mine.
Hey,
No, my brother, my big brother.
The big boss here. Yeah. That's a very big motorhome over there. So here, and I'm so feeling happy. And actually, at the same time, I always study about the new experience. What's the next anything if I want to upgrade my Ramli van. Like okay, what I want to doing, what I want to upgrade, and something more. So yeah, you know, I also on study about camper at the jungle everywhere. And then this is the best moment ever before I take out my travel vlogs. You know why? Because I need to study a lot of camper style, like a lot of things. So yeah, I'm very happy, and yeah, I hope you're happy too. Yo guys, so this is for the night view, which is I just take out the light. So yeah, just feel like something romantic at night. So yeah, other campers also take out their lamp, and yeah, this is so awesome, guys. This is the great moment ever. I feel like I want to change the clothes. And maybe I want to take the shower. Hey, why not? Okay, why not? Because my Abu Dhabi already have a bathroom, kitchen, and everything. Why not, guys? Yeah, come on, come on. So, guys, I see you for the next morning. Okay? See ya. Guys, view in the morning. So I'm at the a waterfall. Love waterfall here. And this is, I think, just a tiny waterfall. But yeah, the very biggest waterfall is just up there. But I'm so lazy to go up there because yeah, actually my legs is not feeling good and a little bit painful. So yeah, maybe next time I will show you about the nice waterfall in the world, like in Malaysia. I mean, yeah. Yeah, you guys, yeah, I feel so happy, and this is my new experience on how they're camping at other part, like other place like that, because yeah, I'm also study about how they do camping, what some more need or something, and I study a lot here. I study a lot, and this is very cool. And yeah, I'm so happy, guys. I'm so happy. Yeah, right. So, guys, if I go to somewhere, maybe I can find a new experience, new place, and new world. I mean, so I feel so grateful. By the way, yo guys, thank you so much for watching. Love you all so much. Don't forget to subscribe, click the bell. Maybe for the next vlog, I will make the more fantastic. Okay, guys, love you all. Mwah.